I'm Hemant Dighe from Mumbai. I've been in this mutual fund distribution business for more than 30 years now, and I'm catering to almost 700 individual investors. Most of these people were, retail investors and middle class investors. Now, through the investment journey, most of these people have become crorepatis also in the last maybe 10, 15, 20 years. Most important thing is that I go and meet each and every person, the active investors, and the service counts. That is why they are satisfied, and they will ever leave me. Most of the MFDs think about their investors in such a way that they will increase their wealth, and there are some people who are also into financial planning, that is goal planning, retirement planning, wealth planning, and perhaps succession planning for the investors. But they never thought it important to have succession planning for their own business. Like the MFD is working all alone, or maybe there are no family members who wish to join the MFD's business. Then how will the business grow when this person is inoperative? So they should think in these terms: how can they retire peacefully without disturbing the trust and the service levels given to their investors for last maybe 10, 15, 20, 30 years. Thinking of my business succession planning happened about 2-3 years back, when I thought that maybe I should retire someday. And I discussed the entire topic with my family, that is my wife and my children. Now, my wife was not interested because of other family commitments, and my children are in different field altogether. My son is in a different field, my daughter in a different field. Both were not interested, and both were not inclined to take my business forward. So I thought maybe I'll partner with some party which is bigger than me, and where the philosophies match. Why philosophies match? Because I have developed my business for last 30 years, and all these my investors are like my friends or my family members, and they trust me. So after me, maybe someone has to take over that particular point to the investors and grow the business. As I was working all alone for last 30 years, I used to go and meet the investors frequently, personally, shaking hands with these people, trying to understand their problems, trying to solve their problems. So in last 30 years, it so happened that the trust is built to a different level altogether. Plus the service I offer to these people, personalized service. What I thought, when I take a decision of business succession, I need a partner who can have the same philosophy and who can fulfill the same obligations which I used to do for last 30 years. I may still work for 2, 3, 4, 5 years, but someone has to take over, holding their hands, my investors' hands, going there together and convincing these people that the same category of or same quality of trust and service will be given to you henceforth, lifelong. In this business journey, you get so many offers from outside. I also had a couple of offers, or maybe more than that. Then I observed that those parties were not so transparent. I never knew what they wanted, or what they also never understood what I wanted from them. When Happyness Factory approached me, when we discussed the entire problem, the main thing was not the financials, but the trust which is developed with the investors, and the service standards which I give to these people should be continued. And they agreed to that. So I think when the philosophy matches, when the ideas gel together, then maybe it's a combination which can work wonders. The experience with Happyness Factory till now is fantastic. Before joining, I had 5 or 6 meetings with the top bosses, and I tried to understand from different individuals It could be the business head, the revenue head, the HR head, from all these, including the accounts and the taxation department, so that there was a clarity as far as my thought process was concerned. The main factor was that Happyness Factory cleared all my doubts, and the onboarding process, like the merging of ARN with them, was a smooth one. With the regulatory concerns in mind, I mean, they have taken this thing beautifully forward. The mutual fund industry in India evolved about 30 years back. The people who joined 30 years back, they have flourished their business in the next 30 years. But maybe they are on the verge of retirement now, or they are thinking of their retirement. Now, if you are working in a company, your retirement age is 58 or 60 in India. Here you can extend it to 2 years or 3 years or 4 years as per your physical and mental abilities. But the point is that if there is nobody to take over this business from your family, what will you do? So my suggestion to all these MFDs is that, typically the individual MFDs, you partner with a big company wherein your philosophy and their philosophy matches. The kind of trust you have developed with the investors for so many years will be continued with this particular company. And another option is to collaborate with like-minded 4 or 5 people, one doing insurance, one doing only mutual funds, one doing maybe health insurance or fixed deposits. But then what happens, again, I mean, there is a personality problem. People may not like. How will you share your revenues and all? If you join a big company which is established in the industry for last maybe 10, 15, 20 years and have all the departments which you wish you had, like customer services, or maybe operations, or maybe regulatory concerns, or maybe audit and taxation and all, my suggestion would be to join these people and you be with these people for maybe 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, just for the benefit of your investors, so that handholding is done perfectly along with these people, and then you can peacefully retire. And I don't think there will be any financial loss to you if you negotiate properly with these kind of parties.